One?
Only one?
No. It's the first one. It's a bit awkward to get to these. Two. Third one. Okay. Go, violets. We've just checked this nest box here, and there's 3 young barn owls in this nest box. And as you can see, this is just a really excellent barn for barn owls. There's not many of these barns left nowadays, but it's one of the reasons for the decline of the barn owl. Buildings like this have just disappeared, and the modern farm buildings now, they're not very a lot of the modern, well, all of the modern farm buildings nowadays are just totally inhospitable for barn owls. Get that. A lot of the modern farm, well, all of the modern farm buildings now, they just don't cater for like any bears to get in among them. You know, a lot of them are all bed free and they're totally inhospitable to species, especially like barn owls. So barn buildings like this are just absolutely fantastic. And as the decades have gone on, more and more of these buildings have just fallen down, or they're being converted into dwellings. And as I say, you know, it is the reason for the decline of the barn owl. You know, just a place for them to roost, to nest in, and it's just great to see these old barns like this, because we know that, you know, you're just not going to get buildings like this being built anymore. So yeah, so as long as we can keep all the buildings like this, then the barn owl will have a place in the countryside, you know, for future generations to see. So yep.